Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's your truly Ian Pius, and today, guys, I'm back again with another video. I always come at least each and everywhere, then give you guys some price action, show you guys what is really happening to the market, guys. So today, I'm back again with some nice juicy pairs which are about to start trending, guys. So I urge you guys to stay till the end of the video, because the last pair that I'm gonna be talking about is really gonna do something in days to come. But then I urge you to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Give me any kind of pairs you want me to talk about, and so let's dive into our video, guys. So the first pairs that I want to talk about, it's a GBP AUD, guys. Let's first see what GBP AUD has been doing. GBP AUD has been kind of consolidated for some good period of time, but now I've got to see what is now happening into the market, guys. Because remember last time when I talked to you guys about GBP AUD, we made some losses because by that time the market was somewhere around here. So the market was just kind of consolidating. I wasn't having that good view of the market, but right now I could see much more clear, right? We could see this is our monthly zone, guys. If you could come in our monthly time frame and we go back, we could see the market has been reacting here, reacted. So right now the markets has broken and is retesting it to continue moving all the way to the upside. And then if you could come to our weekly time frame, guys, you could see the market has given us two green bars, two green candlestick, which is showing a very strong bullish momentum all the way to the upside. So the weekly is showing, the monthly is showing upside, and then the weekly is showing upside. If you could see also the market is making higher highs and higher lows. This is our high low, this is our higher highs. The market come and make another higher lows here. The market come another higher highs. And this now the market is making a higher low to come and make another higher high somewhere around here, guys. So weekly is showing the market is making higher highs and higher lows. If you could come now to our daily time, because now weekly and monthly is showing the same thing. If you could come to our daily time frame, guys, the market broke our trend line from here. The market broke our counter trend line. As you guys know, I always like using a counter trend line, guys. I like using a counter trend line. The market broke our counter trend line and then retested it. And then my first entry was somewhere here when the market, I always like entering the market in 4 hours, guys. When the market broke our counter trend line and then retested it, and then I came into a 4 hour. I came in the 4 hour, and then I waited. My first entry is somewhere around here, guys. I came into a 4 hour when the market give me this bullish engulf in the 4 hour. This when I came and jumped into the market. My stop loss was below the structure. My first TP, the market has already hit. So I'm looking way forward to enter another another entry, because now my first entry is somewhere around here, and now is in break even. And then I'm showing you guys, because now this is another juicy entry, guys, and I don't want you guys to miss it out, guys. If you could see after now the market already pulled back out of this zone, guys, and the market is now coming. This is the only most immediate demand zone, which is currently the market might come and react to it. And if you could even come and measure with our Fibonacci, we could see it's really, you could see the Fibonacci fib trade zone is even around that zone of the demand zone. So I could say the market is gonna come and pull here before it continue going all the way to the upside. So now what I did was just simple. This is my entry. This is how I'm going to enter. When the market gets here, give me a bullish engulfing in a 4 hour. That's when I'll come and jump into the trend and put my stop loss below the structure, and then roll it all the way to my first TPO is gonna be at 100%. When the market gets here, take some of the profit, then bring my entry to break even, then let everything roll all the way to its prime first target, guys, which is here, which is at around 2.1023. When the market gets here, I'm gonna take like I'm gonna take all of my profits out, because this zone, it looks really so pretty strong. Until now, the market broke above, then I will come and let you guys know more on when to add on to your on when to get into more lot size, I mean more entry to continue taking all the way to the upside. So this is what I'm saying in GBP AUD. Let's go for another pair, guys. Another pair I'm seeing GBP CHF has been kind of in a consolidation too, but now I'm started coming to see some good thing which is happening. We could see GBP CHF, these are our monthly zone. We could see every time the market gets here, the market reacted, go to the upside, the market reacted, go to the upside. So you could see even from here, the market came and reacted, go to the upside, the market came here again, give us a bullish engulfing in a in a weekly time frame, which shows that this market wants to start trending back all the way to the upside, guys. So what I did just was simple. I came into a daily time frame. When I came to the immediate demand zone, which is somewhere here, we could say after this consolidation, we could say when this is like a neckline of this kind of consolidation, and I always wait for a consolidation to do whatever it wants to, and then draw some kind of neckline and then I wait for the market to break it, come and retest it. That's when I will come and then start looking for opportunity to enter into this trade, guys. And then the market did like that exactly. The market really broken this neckline, which is acting even as a demand zone, even is acting as a Fibonacci fib. If you guys could put it like this, we could say the market also acting as a Fibonacci fib retracement. So I'm saying everything is really lining up pretty so good, and the only thing I'm waiting for is just to go in a 4 hour, wait for the market to pull back to this euro zone, give me another retest before it continue going all the way to the upside. Then I will come and then jump onto this trade, guys. So this trade is still looking pretty much easy. It's still looking whereby you still gonna get opportunity, and our first TP is always gonna be at 100%, which is somewhere here, and then the second TP is gonna be this yellow zone. And I urge you guys, when the market gets into this yellow zone, you need to take like most of your profit, because this yellow zone is kind of very strong until the market break above. Then when now we will come and then start looking for more opportunities to continue rolling all the way to another zone, which is somewhere here, guys. So this is what I'm seeing in GBP CHF. I'm just pretty much patient and waiting for whatever the market to do, and then I will react into it, guys. So this is what I'm seeing in GBP CHF. So let's go to another pair, guys. Another pair, which is, let's first see what's AUD. What's AUD is really happening, what is doing, what price is doing in AUD US. In AUD, Euro AUD. Sorry, guys, this is Euro AUD. We could say the market is not making another. It's making a. If you could come to a weekly time frame, the market is really trending, guys. The market is trending. The market came here, give us some kind of demand, and the market retested several times. And right now, the market has broken our counter trend line. This is how I always trade. The market has broken our counter trend line. This are weekly. Remember, I always tell you guys, the market move from zone to zone. Because so now, right, my prime target for Euro AUD, I'm saying Euro AUD is to come up to around here, which is around 1.8400, guys. This is where I'm saying AUD is coming. So if I'm, because now weekly time frame is aligned, that everything is pretty much bullish, is even making higher lows. You could say higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. The market is coming to make an, it's trying now to go to another higher highs, guys. So if you could come to a daily time frame and see what is really happening, it's pretty much simple. Remember, guys, I always like using a counter trend line break. When the market came and retest here, then I know, because this level looks so strong. And then I waited for the market to come and retest here once more. Then I jump onto this. This is my first entry, guys. This is how I jump onto this trade. I waited for a bullish engulf in 4 hours. Then I jump, put my stop loss below the structure. So right now the market haven't reached my first TP, because my first TP is somewhere here. But I'm seeing more opportunity for this pair, guys. That's why when I drew this counter trend line, the market come and retest again several times, but then I couldn't like enter more entries here. What I did was simple. I draw like a flag. If you guys could see how you always enter a flag, I draw this flag, this like a flag. the market now broke above. So this market is showing us more entries to go all the way to the upside. So on the only thing you have to wait for, let the market give you a bullish engulfing in 4 hour, then you can jump onto this trade and roll it all the way to our first TP. And then always let your, like here, if you're gonna enter, guys, if you're going to enter like somewhere here, let your stop loss be below here, guys. Give some room for the market, give some room, let your stop loss be below here, below the structure here. This is our structure. Let the market, let your stop loss be below, and then your first TP is gonna be here, which is 1 to 2 reward risk ratio, which is kind of quite good. So this is what I'm gonna wait for, bullish engulfing in a 4 hour, then roll this market all the way to our first prime target, which is at 1.80745. And then if the market breaks above, I'll bring my entry to break even, take some of the profit out, let it roll all the way to this prime target, guys. This is what I'm seeing in AUD. This is what I'm seeing in Euro AUD, guys. So let's go for another pair, which is about to start trending, guys. This one is NZ, guys. USD. NZ USD right now is trending bull, is trending bearish. NZ USD is trending bearish. We could see even from higher time frame, everything is pretty much bearish, guys. We could see, if we could draw our Fibonacci, these are weekly. If we could draw a Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, the market came here and then got stuck in a level of 61.8 and 55 Fibonacci, which shows that this bearish momentum is strong. And this also come and give another touch of a trend line to the downside, guys. So from a higher time frame, everything is showing pretty much bearish, guys. What I'm only gonna be looking here for is a bearish movement of this trade, because even the market gave us here, we could see this a bearish engulfing candlestick in a weekly time frame, and the market came here, is now retesting. If you come to a daily time frame, we could see now, because you see me, I don't enter trades anyhow, guys. I always wait for a real confirmation. I always like to wait for my confirmation. When the market give us this kind of pull, I didn't enter this trade, guys. To be honest, I'm just still looking for entry to enter this trade. I just did the same thing that I always do, draw a counter trend line. And right now the market's broken. The counter trend line is now retesting. If we could come, these things also matching with our Fibonacci fib, guys. Everything is matching here for the bearish movement, guys. So the only thing I'm looking at is for to sell this trade, to sell this pair. We could see the market. This is how I draw my counter trend line. The market has broken, and right now the market is retesting it. Right now, even I'm just only waiting for another another bearish engulfing somewhere like this, somewhere here. Then I will enter my stop loss above the structure like this. Then my first TP is gonna be here, always at 100%. When the market gets here, I'm gonna take some of my profit out, bring my entry to break even, and then my overall prime target. I'm seeing this market is gonna roll for some huge amount of pips, guys. But when the market gets, I'm gonna take like 50% fib and 50% of my profit out. Then, and when the markets break above it, below here, and then I will come and then let you guys know for more entries of this pair, guys. And then last but not least is AUD, guys. When the pair that I talked about last week, AUD USD, is still showing us pretty much bearish in everything, is still showing bearish here, guys. What I'm to tell you guys. Last week I talked about two pairs, mostly AUD USD and GBP USD, but I then didn't take any trading in GBP USD and AUD USD because they never gave me any kind of confirmation. But I'm now seeing a confirmation in AUD USD. Last week we measured our Fibonacci, and this zone we saw that like this one is around 61.8 and then 55, which shows that this market is really so strong to continue going all the way to the downside, guys. I'm seeing only bearish in this pair AUD USD. Could see when the market came and gave us a bullish, a bearish engulfing here, and then the market now right now is retesting this strong supply zone. The market retesting this supply zone. My first TP is always gonna be here, guys, which is at 0.63569. This is my first TP. When the market gets here, I would take like a lot. I would take mostly like most of my profit because this zone looks very strong until the market break above here. Then I will be getting so much interested to roll this trade, to roll this pair all the way to this prime target somewhere here. This is my overall prime target, but when the market gets here, I'm gonna take some of my TP out. So this is my weekly time frame. Let's go to daily. You could see right now the daily even is kind of now breaking my counter trend line. The daily is breaking my counter. This is a very strong bearish movement, and now this one is just a retest. Don't have to be afraid. This is just a retest, guys, to continue rolling all the way to the downside. And then if you could come to our 4 hour, if you could come to our 4 hour showing the same thing. Guys, to be honest, I've already entered into this pair. Because when the market came in and then give me this bullish, this bearish engulfing, I entered this 4 hours. So right now I'm into this trade, and right now I'm in the loss. But my stop loss is far, guys. My stop loss is above the structure. So I'm pretty much patient and then wait wherever the market is gonna do. When the market stop me out, it's okay. I then wait for more opportunity. But then, because right now the market is now doing well, so the only way I want you guys to enter this market, because this is how I had entered this market, but now I want you guys to wait for the market to break above here. Let me first remove this one. Right now the market to break the above, below here. When the market breaks below here, just a little retest and then roll all the way to the up to the downside. This is how you can enter into this market, guys. It's looking pretty much easier to enter. This is how you can enter this market. So guys, these are the only pairs that I was having to show you guys. And right now, these are the only pairs I was having to show you guys. So we have come to the end of the video. And guys, if you get any kind of values into this kind of content I'm making, most to help the beginners to gain on how they should be finding their edge, guys. As you all know, I'm a swing trader, and it's really so good to be a swing trader because you get to know that all whatever is really happening in the market from a high time frame to a lower time frame. So you won't hesitate even though the market is going to your opposite side because you know what is really happening. So guys, if you find any value, like, comment, subscribe, and then give me any kind of comment and give me any kind of advice on how I should be doing this content, guys. This content is just to help mostly the beginners to gain their edge on how they should be trading into this forex industry, guys. So I thank you guys, and I'm by name Ian Pius, a string trader, and my dream, guys, I know one day I'll be one of the most greatest forex trader of all time, and I'm just following the process. I don't care whatever's gonna happen. I'm gonna follow the full process. I'm gonna follow my system, and because these are the only things gonna help me to gain my potential. These are the only things gonna help me to start becoming profitable, guys. And right now, as I'm even working into my psychology, because guys, for the past few years, guys, because this now I'm just started trading, guys, and now for the past few months trading has not been easy for me because I've realized a lot about my psychology, that I could understand the edge very well. I could understand the price action very well. But now for me to manage the trade and then take it all the way to its prime target, this is one of the most hardest thing because I always pull back. The market is just swinging up and down. So I'm trying right now to work onto my psychology. And now when I get to myself, I get to know more about myself. Guys, I will always let you guys, I will always come and then let you guys know everything on how I'm trying to journal. I'm trying to do anything just to make me profitable into this industry, guys. So guys, thank you so much, and now we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for sticking to the end of the video, and then thank you. Have a nice, because now we are left some few days to the end of the week. Have a nice days, have a nice week of trading, and thank you, and then peace out, guys.